In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can copy, paste, and duplicate in Tinkercad. So I have this weird design right here on my Tinkercad. I'll just edit it out a bit right here. And we then have this specific odd shape, and maybe I want to duplicate it or copy it into my design. So to do that, it is extremely simple. Just click on your design right here, and if you right click on it, it will not going to work. What you want to do is to simply click on this specific icon, which is going to be copy, and then you want to click on paste. This will paste our design, basically duplicating it right here. But if you want to copy your combined design, maybe this one, you want to make sure to highlight them together, copy it, and then you can simply paste it right here. And as you can see, we have a duplicate design of the same shape. And if you want to go ahead and use your keyboard, it's really simple. Just click on the design, click on Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. But if you have edited a duplicate, if you have edited a weird design into your Tinkercad right here, what you can do is to simply add or highlight and combine them together. Now to do that, it is extremely simple. Once again, you want to go ahead and highlight them all together, click on the union group button, and from there you can simply click on the design and paste it, basically duplicating the entire shape right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.